It's 7:55. Close enough. Well, do you want to do it? Right, we're on our way to an Autosolo at Cannock District Car Club at Curborough in my NC. If you haven't seen it yet, I bought an NC for 300 quid. Overheating issues apparently caused by a head gasket, which turned out to be a thermostat, so that was a nice easy fix. And then it sailed through the MOT the other day, and now I'm feeling really awkward, so let's go. Didn't place, obviously. Car handles really well for a boat, as the joke is. Definitely needs an alignment, and it needs lowering because the weight transfer is awful on this. And an LSD would help as well. The open diff is not a good thing. But that'll all be coming. Like, comment, subscribe, etc. You know the drill by now. And see you next time.